my family and friends. I'm doing some unboxing today. I will show you what I ordered, okay? I will see you in a little bit. Okay, I'll show you what I have over here. And it's something good. And I will show you what is this all about. It's a smart security camera. We also have a security outside, but it's a good idea to get something inside also. Okay guys, it's 4 cameras in a box. I look at what's that, and it's, cheap and affordable, so it's a good idea. So when you take it out from the box, it's look like this. Of course, first of all, you need to read the instruction. They have 1, 2, 3, and it looks like very, it says over here that it reset the tool and necessary to get to complete to reset the setting if there is a problem. And here's the button you can follow, specifications, and it seems like that's about it. In one camera you got this, and then you got the plug, of course, and then so when you take it out from the box, it's look like this. Of course, first of all, you need to read the instruction. They have 1, 2, 3, and it looks like very, it says over here that it reset the tool and necessary to get to complete to reset the setting if there is a problem. And here's the button you can follow, specifications, and it seems like that's about it. In one camera you got this, and then you got the plug, of course, and then guys, it's very easy. Look at this, and you just fold it like this. If you want to stand it somewhere in the house, or you can just do it like that. If you want to stand on your table or somewhere in the kitchen, you can just see, it's very easy. And then you have this and the cord. See? Here is the camera, and here is the plug and the cable. So just plug the cable and behind the camera. Uh-oh. like my unboxing, I think it's very easy. I'm not very good in reading instructions, but because it's straightforward, very easy, you take out from the box, put the cord and plug it in. I can do that. And for example, if you want to mount in the wall, just take it out from there, see, and you can mount into the wall if that's what you like. If you'll just sit it in your counter or your table or something like that, you want to hide it somewhere, you can do that too. So it's easy. Hope you like it. Get the smart security camera for the home protection. I mean, this is indoor. We have something more expensive outside too, but indoor it's good enough. Guys, I recommend you the smart security system in camera inside the house. You can have as many cameras as you like. And see, can you see that? And for example, I'll touch the kitchen. And it recorded. See, I'm moving inside the kitchen. So it's really good. This is kind of like, see, it's better. I just keep moving. The camera is moving because I'm also walking. But you know, I'm just seeing you the actual, but it's very good. It's kind of blurry because I'm walking. See, you can see I'm moving, but it's very good. I recommend you this camera, and it's very cheap. See that? I'm walking around, you can see I'm